Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hey, my name is Julian from Marshall, NISSAN in Grantham. Thank you very much for inquiring about the BMW X3 we have for sale. It's in very nice condition. It's an M Sport xDrive30d diesel. It's got the rear privacy glass, nice tyres, alloy wheels. It's got the electric tailgate, rear reversing sensors. It's very clean inside with the rear roller blind. Show the inside now. I'll show the inside now. Got all-round electric wing mirrors, both sides. You got all-round electric windows. It's automatic. You got sport modes, auto hold handbrake, and electronic. It is automatic. Push button start. You have both front cup holders. I've got the navigation system. It's only done 47,899 miles. You've got dual climate control with heated seats. CD player. It's very nice indeed. And what I'll do now, I'll show you this, send you this video over, and if you'd like any more further information, please don't hesitate to contact myself. Once again, thank you very much for inquiring at Marshall, NISSAN in Grantham. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.